Hello everyone, today I will show you how to recover deleted reels on Instagram. And here's how it is done. First, I will open the Instagram app and head to one of my reels. I will delete it, then show you how to restore it. To start, tap the profile icon in the bottom right. You will see the profile grid in the center, and just to the right is the Reels section. Tap on that. I will choose a reel I have posted, and to delete it, I will tap the three dots at the bottom right and select Delete. After confirming by tapping delete again, the reel is removed. Now to recover it, tap the three lines in the top right corner of your profile. Select the second option, your activity. If you scroll down, you'll see recently deleted. Tap that. You'll find the deleted reel here, along with how many days remain before it is permanently deleted, up to 30 days. Tap on the reel, then tap the three dots in the bottom right and choose Restore. Confirm by hitting Restore again. The reel will now be restored to your profile. You can refresh the page, and there it is, back where it was before. And that is everything you need to know about how to recover deleted reels on Instagram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.